Let's learn how to add pictures and photographs in our PowerPoint mobile app. So you can do this for free. Just download the PowerPoint mobile app on iPhone. We're just going to create a new blank presentation. And you see over here this plus sign that lets you add slides. So first we'll just add a quick title over here and we'll simply say add photo. And we are also going to add and a shape, right? So the core idea is we are going to add a shape and then we are going to add a photo. So right over here, if you can see, you see a symbol for this dash dash dash, the dots. Click on it and then select the shape from the menu icon. And then we are going to select insert and we are just going to select a circle. Now I can expand the circle a little bit and I can change the fill of this circle. Let's just choose something simple. Now what we want to do is we want to put a picture inside this circle. So we what we are going to do is we are going to there is a concept called insert, and then it says concept called photos. So let's go ahead and select photos. We want to select let's say this picture from our library, add it over here, and now you can see the shape is on the foreground and picture is in the background. So we're going to select the shape and then we are going to say arrange and then we'll say hey, send it to backward, and here it is. So as you can see, what we have done so far is we were able to create a shape on a slide, add a picture, and uh, send the shape to the background and the picture to the foreground. So that's a quick way of what we have done. This is our slide where we learned how to add photo and a shape. Hope you had fun. Thank you and have a good day.